Tonight, we're going on a gentle journey, a journey that will guide both your body and your mind into deep, healing sleep. You don't have to try to get anywhere. You don't have to do anything perfectly. All you need to do is let the words, the music, and the stillness carry you naturally. This journey is about letting go of the day, releasing the weight you've been holding, and allowing your breath to become the soft rhythm that takes you home to rest. Every moment will bring you deeper into calm, deeper into comfort, and deeper into the kind of sleep that leaves you feeling whole when you wake. So settle in, let your body sink into the surface beneath you, and take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. Tonight, the journey begins, and it will end with you in the deepest, most peaceful sleep your body and mind can find. Now that you've found your place for the night, I want you to feel how the surface beneath you is holding you completely. You don't need to support yourself anymore. Every muscle in your body has permission to let go, to release, to rest. Let your head be heavy against the pillow, your neck soft, your jaw unclenched. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears as though gravity is gently pulling them down. That release moves slowly down your arms, past your elbows, into your forearms, and all the way into your hands. Your fingers loosen, resting naturally without any need to grip or hold. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe, not forcing the rhythm, just noticing it. With every inhale, imagine you're pulling in calm, and with every exhale, picture yourself letting go of something you don't need anymore. Let your stomach soften, your hips sink deeper into the mattress, your legs grow heavier. Your knees are relaxed, your calves loose, your feet completely at rest. Even your toes let go. The air around you feels still and soft, wrapping you in a quiet that belongs only to this moment. The music in the background begins to merge with your breath, each note matching the slow pace you found. You are safe here, you are supported here. There is nothing else you need to do, and nowhere else you need to be. Just keep breathing, keep letting go, and let your body start to drift into the gentle current of this journey. As you rest here, notice how your breath has settled into its own natural pace, slow and steady, without you having to think about it. The music flows gently around you like a warm breeze, touching your skin without disturbing the stillness. If thoughts appear, you can watch them float by, light and harmless, like small clouds drifting across a wide open sky. You don't have to follow them. You don't have to push them away. Just let them pass. Your awareness returns to your body, to the way it feels completely supported from head to toe. Your face is soft now, the space between your eyebrows smooth, your eyes heavy and calm. Your neck feels free, your shoulders no longer carrying the invisible weight they held all day. Your arms rest easily, your hands open and warm. Your back sinks deeper into the surface beneath you, each vertebra settling comfortably into place. Your hips feel steady, your thighs loose, your knees relaxed. Your calves are at ease, your feet still and warm. Even the tips of your toes have let go. The air feels just right, not too warm, not too cool, surrounding you like a protective cocoon. The quiet between the notes and the music is just as soothing as the music itself, creating pockets of silence where you can sink a little deeper into peace. This is the threshold of your journey, the place where the waking world begins to fade and the path to deep rest begins to open. All you need to do is keep breathing, keep listening, and allow yourself to be carried forward. Now that your body is heavy and your breath moves in a slow, steady rhythm, we're going to begin the journey into the deepest layers of rest. Imagine that you are standing at the entrance of a quiet path, surrounded by tall, gentle trees. The leaves sway softly in a breeze that carries the scent of earth and fresh rain. The light is dim, the soft glow of early evening, where the day is letting go and the night is taking its place. You take a step forward, and the ground beneath your feet is soft, almost springy, like walking on moss. With each step, the sounds of the outside world fade further away. The music you hear now blends with the quiet rustle of the trees, creating a steady rhythm that matches the beat of your heart. You walk slowly, unhurried, feeling lighter with every step. The path curves gently, leading you deeper into this calm, safe place. Ahead, you see a small clearing where the grass is short and smooth, touched by the silver light of the moon. In the center is a wooden bench, aged but sturdy, as if it has been waiting for you. You sit down, and as you do, the air around you feels even stiller. You breathe in, filling your lungs with the cool, clean air, and breathe out, letting go of everything that doesn't belong here. The music seems to come from the air itself, wrapping around you like a soft blanket. Every muscle in your body relaxes a little more. Every thought becomes softer, slower, and eventually fades into the background. You are on the path to deep sleep now, and all you have to do is follow it without effort. You rise from the bench and begin walking again, following the path as it narrows and winds deeper into the forest. The trees here are taller, their branches weaving together overhead to form a gentle canopy that lets in only slivers of moonlight. The air is cooler now, and every breath feels pure and refreshing. Your steps are slow, deliberate, each one bringing you further away from the noise of the day and closer to the quiet at the center of the night. Soon, the path opens into a wide, open meadow bathed in silver light. The grass moves like waves in the soft wind, and in the center of the meadow is a small pool of still water. You walk toward it, drawn to its calm surface, and as you approach, you see the stars reflected perfectly, as if the sky has come down to meet the earth. You kneel beside the water and look into it, seeing not just your reflection, but also the peace that lives deep within you. You dip your hands into the cool water and let it run over your skin. It feels like it's washing away any trace of tension that might still be lingering in your body or mind. You sit at the water's edge, feeling the earth beneath you firm and steady, the gentle sounds of the night surrounding you. Your breathing slows even more, your heartbeat steady and calm. You close your eyes, and it's as if the world holds its breath with you. The music fades into the background, becoming one with the night. In this moment, you are completely still, completely safe, and completely ready to surrender to the deep, uninterrupted sleep that is waiting for you. Now that you are resting fully in the stillness of deep sleep, your body begins its quiet work of renewal. Every breath you take moves slowly and deeply, drawing fresh oxygen into your lungs, carrying it through your blood to every cell that needs it. Your heart beats in a steady, calm rhythm, sending comfort and life to every part of you. Imagine now a warm golden light beginning to glow in the center of your chest. It is soft and steady, radiating warmth without heat, comfort without weight. With each inhale, the light grows brighter, and with each exhale, it spreads further through you. It moves into your shoulders, melting away the stiffness that has built up over time. It flows down your arms into your hands, loosening every muscle and joint. The light moves up into your neck and head, smoothing away tension, quieting any lingering noise in your mind. It flows down your back, softening and restoring the muscles that have supported you all day, and into your stomach, bringing calm and ease. From there, it moves into your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your feet, until every part of you is bathed in its gentle glow. This light is more than warmth. It is your body's natural healing energy, working in harmony with the stillness of the night. As it moves, it repairs and restores, bringing you back into balance. At the same time, your mind is quietly sorting through the day, keeping what matters, letting go of what no longer serves you. You are safe here. You are whole here. You are exactly where you need to be, surrounded by the peace that allows true healing to happen. As the golden light continues to move gently through you, it begins to flow in harmony with your breath, expanding as you inhale and settling more deeply as you exhale. It reaches the quiet corners of your body that rarely receive attention, soothing muscles that have worked tirelessly, easing joints that have carried you through countless steps, and calming the delicate spaces where stress has tried to linger. It pauses in your shoulders, dissolving the last remnants of weight you have carried. It travels along your spine, releasing tension that has been stored there without you even realizing it. It rests in your stomach, loosening knots and restoring balance. It flows into your legs, bringing a heaviness that feels like complete surrender, not exhaustion, but the safe, grounded heaviness of deep rest. As your body is restored, your mind is also finding clarity. Thoughts that once felt tangled begin to unwind, settling into order. Worries that held your attention fade into the background, becoming distant and quiet. You feel lighter inside, freer in a way that goes beyond the physical. The night outside is still and unbroken, holding you in a safe, steady embrace. There is no sense of time here, only the long, slow rhythm of your breathing and the gentle pulse of the golden light within you. This light is not something separate from you. It is part of who you are, and tonight, you have given it the space to shine fully. It will continue to heal and restore you for as long as you sleep, leaving you ready to wake with clarity, energy, and peace. For now, you do not need to think about waking. You are here to stay in this moment, to keep breathing, to keep resting, and to let the night complete its quiet work. You are here now, fully held by the stillness of the night, your body warm and heavy, your mind quiet and open. The golden light within you continues its gentle work, but you no longer need to notice it. It will keep flowing, keep healing, keep restoring, while you drift deeper. The music has faded into the background like a steady, comforting heartbeat, and your breath moves in perfect harmony with it. There is no weight left from the day, no thought that asks for your attention. Everything is soft now. Your muscles, your mind, even the space around you. You are safe here. You are cared for here. Let your thoughts dissolve into the quiet, and let your body sink further into the surface beneath you. You may already feel the edges of dreams approaching, shapes and colors forming in the distance. You don't need to reach for them, they will find you when you are ready. All you have to do is let yourself go completely, trusting that the night will carry you, protect you, and keep you until the light of morning gently returns. You are exactly where you need to be. Sleep is not coming, it is already here, wrapping around you, holding you softly, keeping you in its care. If tonight's journey has helped you find the peace and rest your body and mind have been longing for, I'd be honored to have you return here whenever you need it. Let this be your safe space, your quiet place in the night, where sleep comes easily and healing happens naturally. If you'd like more nights like this, you can subscribe to this channel so we can continue traveling together toward calm and deep rest. And if you know someone who might be lying awake, wishing for the same comfort you feel now, share this with them so they too can find their way to peace. For tonight, there's nothing left for you to do. Just let the night carry you, let your dreams hold you, and remember that you are safe, cared for, and never alone in this journey. Sleep well, my friend.